Google just made a massive play to win back the AI race, and it touches everything from your phone to how you talk to people who speak a different language. I'm Marcus Chen. This is AInow, your daily top 5 in artificial intelligence. Let's count it down. Coming in at number 5, a rare moment of corporate humility from one of tech's biggest names. Google CEO Sundar Pichai publicly admitted in a podcast interview that Google is, quote, a bit behind competitors when it comes to agentic coding, tool use, and long-horizon AI tasks. According to CNBC, this candid concession comes as Gemini 3.5 Pro continues to miss its launch deadline, while Anthropic's Claude Code dominates the AI coding market. Now look, tech CEOs almost never admit they're losing ground. So when Pichai says Google needs to catch up, you can bet the internal pressure is real. The AI coding race is officially reshaping big tech's competitive dynamics right before our eyes. But things get bigger. Here's number 4. At number 4, Anthropic might be getting ready to break up with its chip suppliers. CNBC reports through Crescendo AI that Anthropic is in early talks with Microsoft to run Claude inference workloads on Microsoft's custom Maia 200 AI chips through Azure. Now, the Maia 200 is built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3-nanometer process and claims 30% better performance per dollar than competing silicon. If this deal goes through, Anthropic would diversify its compute stack beyond NVIDIA, AWS Trainium, and Google TPUs. Why does this matter? It could validate Microsoft's homegrown AI chip program and start chipping away at NVIDIA's stranglehold on AI infrastructure. Frontier AI labs have been looking for alternatives, and Microsoft might have just raised its hand. Number 3 is where things get interesting. Number 3 tonight, and we need to talk about the staggering cost of staying competitive in AI. Morgan Stanley research, reported through Crescendo AI, reveals that NVIDIA's upcoming Vera Rubin-based VR200 NVL72 rack will cost hyperscalers approximately $7.8 million per unit. That's nearly double the $4 million price tag of the current GB300 generation. Memory alone now accounts for 25% of total system cost at $2 million per rack, with each individual Rubin GPU priced around $55,000. These numbers are reshaping data center economics in real time. When a single rack costs as much as a luxury home, you can bet the hyperscalers are accelerating development of their own alternative chips. The NVIDIA tax just got a whole lot heavier. We're down to the top 2. Here's what took the number 2 spot. In at number 2, the entire world is about to sit down and talk about how to handle AI. The UN Global Dialogue on AI Governance opens tomorrow in Geneva, bringing together member states to discuss international approaches to managing artificial intelligence technology. According to UN News, this follows the UN Scientific Panel's stark warning that the window for effective global AI governance may not stay open for long. The gathering also launches the AI for Good Commission, featuring some of the biggest names in tech, including NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang, Amazon's Andy Jassy, and Microsoft's Brad Smith. This is arguably the most significant global AI governance gathering ever assembled. The frameworks they establish could shape how frontier AI is developed and deployed worldwide for decades to come. The stakes could not be higher. And now, the biggest AI story of the day. The number 1 story today, Google is going all in on consumer AI integration. According to the Google blog, the company just rolled out a wave of major AI updates that touch nearly every device you own. First up, Gemini 3.5 Live Translate now enables near real-time, multilingual conversations, breaking down language barriers on the fly. Then there's Android 17, packed with enhanced AI features including screen reactions and floating app bubbles that make multitasking smarter than ever. Google also unveiled a new $99 Google Home speaker built natively on Gemini Live, bringing conversational AI directly into your home. And Notebook LM received significant upgrades, including advanced reasoning and code execution capabilities. This is Google's clearest statement yet about its AI strategy. While OpenAI and Anthropic dominate the API market, Google is betting that deep device-level integration across phones, speakers, and software will be its path back to AI leadership. The consumer AI war just escalated. That's your AInow Top 5 for July 5, 2026. If any of these stories surprised you, Drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe if AI news is your thing. I'll see you tomorrow.